Hey, Shovelhead Fej, and I am not in the Shovelhead shed. I'm actually out in the woods, man. I learned a long time ago about myself is that, man, there's times when I just need to go take off, get some wind therapy, and I did that today. Another thing that helps me is to go into the woods and just take a walk through the woods, hike, whatever you want to call it. I'm very fortunate where I live. I live in the woods myself, but then there's even deeper woods that you can go into, and so I decided to do that today. The problem is, I shoot motorcycle videos. How do you shoot a motorcycle video on a trail? You really can't. You can ride a motorcycle there, and you can ride a motorcycle away, but there's really no way of including a motorcycle. And what I was doing today, and I have a video to get out, so I just figured I'd kind of bring you along, show you what I seen today. I did ride a motorcycle, my 2019 Ultra Limited, and it's a good riding bike. I love the bike. I'll tell you one thing about the Ultra that I really kind of do like. It's like you're almost on a gold wing, but there's enough rumbling and rambling and enough motor noise to let you know that you're still on a Harley-Davidson. It's a beefy motorcycle. I like it. Some people don't like the Milwaukee 8. It's a pretty quick motor. So far, I haven't had any problems. The only problems I've had with mine is the battery crapped out about a year. So I don't know if that's Harley-Davidson's fault or not, but no, it's a great motorcycle. I do enjoy riding it. I am fortunate that I do have more than one motorcycle. So, some days, man, it's a dresser day, and some days it's a hardtail day. Some days it's a trike day. Today happens to be just a laid back, easy, load all my crap down in a dresser, make sure I got my coffee and a couple cans of sardines and a sleeping bag in case something happens. And so I bring my two-wheeled Winnebago, as I like to call it. And every good vlogger knows that at the end of the video is when you do your closeout, you do your wrap up, you do your summary or whatever. Well, I'm going to do it at the beginning of the video. Of course, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for the people that have came over to my Patreon page. Man, I really do appreciate you. And very soon, I'm going to have your name scrolling up and down and all that good stuff. I've just been so busy doing so many other things, but I do appreciate it. Of course, my Instagram page, right here. Follow me on Instagram. Just been so busy, man. But I'm starting to get a little bit of free time, so I'll be doing more on Instagram. I'll be doing way more on Patreon. Of course, I'll still be doing my 2 videos a week, and thank you very much. I do appreciate each and every one of you guys. You know what? I appreciate the comments. There's sometimes the comments are not too appreciative, but I do appreciate each and every one of you guys for watching, of course, following, subscribing, sharing, commenting. Man, it's kind of getting to the point to where, I thought that I was going to be able to answer every comment. And there's just no way, man, when you're getting 200 or 300 or 400 comments and you have to answer them. So if I don't answer you, man, I'm sorry. I've done the best I could. I dang sure read it. I always make sure I read them at the very, very least. So far, I've been able to keep ahead. I think on this last video, it's about did me in as far as answering comments, because it was a very complicated subject, and there was some complicated comments, and that can't be answered with a yes or a no, or or a smiley emoji. So forgive me if I don't answer your comments. I want to. It's just one of them things. Like I said, I'm getting too dang big for my britches. No, it's not that, man. It's just there's too much going on, and like I said, I do want to answer them. I do want to talk to you guys. As far as I'm concerned, anybody that's in the brotherhood riding motorcycles, you're my friend. Until you don't want to be my friend, and that's cool with me, man. Like me or love me, that's cool with me. But anyway, all right. Video short and sweet, like me. No, the video short and sweet. And I'm going to take off. I'm going to go for another walk. I can't tell if it's going to rain or not. It started out really kind of cool this morning, but now it's getting hot and muggy. Probably going to have to take off the jacket, but if I took the jacket off and then the white beard, and you know, it doesn't look good on film. So anyway, if you know about beards, then you know about zippers. But anyway, enjoy the video. Like I said, it's short. I think it's 3 or 4 minutes long. And thank you very much, guys. Appreciate it. Have an awesome day. I'll see you, or you'll see me Sunday on my next video, man. All right. Peace. No rooster today. I heard him this morning, but he's at home. Okay, man. See ya.